No need to worry more. There's a whole list of guidelines to make money by watching videos. You're just needed to stick with us till the end of this video. So without a further delay, let's get started. Surely you will curious that if you have ever wondered if it is possible to make money by watching YouTube videos on YouTube or TV by just watching the videos, then this detailed and helpful article is for you. It explores the fact behind this, including why it works, how it works, and the different ways it works, and mentions as many as 22 sites and services that pays you to watch YouTube videos. Being paid to watch videos on the YouTube or even on the television is something that many people are doing these days to make money online. There is such a foolish act to invest all of your savings in one thing that is totally unpredictable to you, and you are totally blind about trends of it. So, first of all, you should take a basic knowledge of cryptocurrency, then go for that type which is most suitable according to your taste and budget range. Then determine which is more beneficial and collect the reviews of experts to get the maximum information about the way you are starting. Many people are familiar with YouTube, but if you aren't, it is an online video sharing platform producing a lot of revenue of its users. It is owned by Google and quickly become the most popular video sharing site for both individuals and businesses. Many individuals and businesses use YouTube to promote their goods and services. They make platforms for their products, services, and upload videos with material that instructs, entertains, or educates viewers. If you are a frequent YouTube viewer, there are legitimate ways for you to earn money simply by watching videos. First and foremost, in addition to being paid to see ads, the followings are some of the most legitimate paid online polling services that cost you $5 to $50 per day for expressing your thoughts and opinions. To increase your chances of getting paid more, it is recommended that you enter the ALL of the site mentioned below that you are a resident of and that you confirm the emails you receive after signing up. They are all completely free to join, so don't be concerned about paying anything. So stick with us till the end of this video and don't miss any part of this video. Here we have the list of some apps where you can earn money by watching YouTube videos. On number 5, we have Earning Station. This is such a legit app where you can earn money by watching YouTube videos and ads. And in the reward of watching those videos, you will get the points, gift cards, and the rewards that will give you some sort of money. You are needed to do the specific tasks and watch videos about all the latest news, updates, comedies, music, lyrics, and so many things like that. You will get a reward every day just by watching the videos on the daily basis, and on every other 10 videos you watch, you will also get the rewarded. First of all, determine your taste and go for the videos that matches your taste and earn money without any investment. This is such an amazing way for those who are just searching the small-scale earning resources. In order to make big differences, you are needed to spend more time on the social media and try to learn more knowledge about it. So there will be bright chances of it that you will make the marks in the field. On number 4, we have My Points. This is a rewarding app where you get paid in reward of watching videos, ads, and promotions. There are also some other tasks that may be a source of earning from these applications, but watching the videos is very useful and many people are associated with it. Here, different kind of brands are present that assign you a specific task to accomplish. They may give you some videos and after watching them, you will get the points from them. These points will convert into actual money and you can redeem your amount by using any of your account and bank association. It was started in the 1996 and now it has almost more than 10 million members, which is clear evidence that it is the legit app and there is no need to worry if you want to join it. There's no need to worry and doubt about it because we personally know many people who are active member of My Points. So let's go for it if you are worried about the scam and the other illegal acts. On number 3, we have Swagbucks. In the search of legit app of making PayPal money, we always have Swagbucks in our list. There's a reward and loyalty program located in El Segundo, California. Proj LLC runs that. A penny is worth one. Swagbucks You will generally swap 100 SBs for $1 in gift cards or cash, or a $25 PayPal deposit for 2500 SBs. Swagbucks is a real organization. About $4 billion has been paid out to customers. Swagbucks has helped some users to win close $12,000. Swagbucks is also a safe way to adolescents to raise some extra cash. We personally know many people who are associated with this application and they are making such a handsome amount here. Opportunities for beginners and skilled persons are available in a wide range. You are just needed to get the basic idea of working in this application and you can be able to earn such cash via this platform, and this is much easier than any physical effort. Connect to Swagbucks account with a PayPal account and you will get your amount via PayPal and you can make money with this application. On number 2, we have Perk. Perk is an app that allows you to fill out surveys. Only USA, Canada, Australian residents allowed, and videos of ads and so many other promotions act. You will make anything from $5 to $50 a day just by simply watching the videos of YouTube and ads on these platforms. They have already paid out millions of dollars to their tens of millions of supporters simply for expressing their ideas and views. There are so many people that contacted us and tell us their journey about watching the videos here and tell us about the earnings. All of them showed very positive response, which is very good sign for those who want to join this. Finally, on number 1, we have Alibaba.com. Some famous brands advertise their products and commodities and make videos about it. You should make videos about various Alibaba.com and Flipkart products and have an affiliate connection in the description. When anyone clicks on the description link, you can get a commission, and in the reward of it, after watching the video, you get the money as a commission and in so other ways. This is the second most largest digital trade market, where almost 100 million people are selling their products, and their promotions through the videos will surely enlighten them. So in this way, you will get paid by watching videos in the Alibaba.com. This information will serve as a guide for you if you are looking for the online earning sources. After that information, you will surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you can be able to get the best choices for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely be such a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you have got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel to get the more informative videos like this one. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay in connect with us.